Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good day, good Friday, community. How are you today? How do you feel? How's it going? How do you feel today, chat? What's up? Great to have you on board. Thank you so much for joining. Are you guys ready? Oops, let me just turn down the volume here. There you go. Thank you so much, guys. How's it going? Did you guys hit your target? Welcome, welcome chat, welcome everyone. Keep in mind for the prop firm giveaways, we're gonna do 200,000 today, and we're gonna do that 150k Lucid Flex if we hit 230 likes on the stream. Good morning, welcome everyone. Good day. Good day. Look at that one. Look at the Nasdaq. Come on, let's take care about the things. We've got news coming out. So we got non-farm employment change, unemployment rate. You guys want to be careful with Savius. You guys want to be careful with YRM. Do not trade these things. Savius, 5 minutes before and 5 minutes after the news. So 10 minutes off for Savius. For YRM, 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after. That's a 4-minute window. News come out in 7 minutes, as you can see it. Come on, butts. Keep it going. We need 230 likes. If you want to do that $200,000 prop firm giveaways with an account of 150k Lucid Flex. Let's see what we can trade here, guys. This is the way it looks like, sitting above the daily opening, but there are so many levels. Flashing the light above 850s, 890s, 935, today's high, yesterday highs, last week's high, last month's high. I'm gonna make my 150 bucks here. The name, let me give you the indicator directly, the link. So this is the link from TradingView. I'm sending you the link and you can access the link. So make sure to join our Discord, guys, and let me share this presentation pretty much everywhere. You guys want to do the same thing. You want to share the presentation in all the trading groups. Pretty much everywhere, guys. Come on. Let's go. Happy Friday times. Happy Friday. Let's see if we're on fire today. We're gonna find it out. So no more trading on Savius for 10 minutes. No more trading on Savius for 10 freaking minutes. YRM we can still trade. You want to close everything for Savius, everything. We got a whole lot of the things coming out, including at 10 a.m. Michigan numbers. Markets is going to be pretty much on volatility today. General announcements. Lucid is not having rules on news. You can trade Lucid for free. No rules on the news. Yeah. These are the biggest impulses we're gonna get at 10 a.m. probably. Not now. I'm just watching for the moment. We have a whole lot of the levels here. I think we also have a trending line. And it has been respected so far, so we're going to have that up on the charts. We have a previous supply, current demand acting nicely. We're going to have that one as well. Good morning, guys. Welcome, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. Happy Friday times out here. 3 minutes to go for the news. But let me see this account, 369, this account. The 369. I think it's day number 10 today. Day number 20. Day number 20 today, guys. We have 19 traded sessions, all profit. We have 9 sessions in the second cycle. We had 10 for the first. So today, I gotta do my math, but I need to do probably about $150 minimum for the YRM. And we're taking the payout. And the second payout for the second cycle is $500 extra. It's $3,000, guys. So get ready. Today, we are celebrating. Hopefully. I'll do my math with the consistency here quite quickly. My highest day was 502. We got some time. Not gonna trade till the news come out. So 502 times 5, because it's 20% consistency, is 2,510. And we made 373, 370, 163. I'm doing my math quickly right now. $2,561, 63. So we already hit the target. We only need $150, the minimum. And we're taking the payout. Second payout for this one. It's 19 days back-to-back profits. 0 losses. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Alex. I'm not trading the YRM. Morning, happy Friday, community. Make sure to join our Discord as well for those of you that are fresh. We're actually streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time. Right, let's put it that way. Simple and straightforward. Five seconds to go. Oh! Look at that intense volatility, guys. We did grab some nice liquidity up and down. 50,000 for non-farm employment change, lower than expected, much lower. 4.4% unemployment rate, lower than expected, guys. Lower unemployment rate than expected. And the market is spiking. Great. And the average hourly earnings is pretty much the same as expected, right? So lower unemployment rate. 4.4% percentage of the total workforce that is unemployed and actively seeking employment during the previous month. Less than expected, and that's a big sign. We had 4.6 previously. It was expected on 4.5, and it came out better. Thank you guys. Well, the next stream is going to be on Monday. Market's getting a pretty long wick on the 15 minute. Look at that. We made a new high today with this move. But that's great because that liquidity is not going to remain untouched for today. "20 seconds more, gotta wait for the YRM, and then I can start trading. Just gotta do 150 bucks and that's it." Hello, great to see you everyone. Great to have you on board. Right, so we can start trading the YRM account. We're putting a short here. Stop loss break even. I'm flat. 198 profit. There you go. 198 profit. The target has been hit, guys. 198 profit quickly. Thank you so much, guys. This is 20 trading sessions today completed. So the second cycle had 10 sessions. 10 sessions. Just like the first cycle. 0 losses. Boom. And that means we're securing a $3,000 payout for the YRM, guys. 198 profit, securing $3,000 payout today. Thank you so much. Celebration. Thank you, Alex. 198. $20 sessions out there, look at that. 20 sessions, 0 losses. So we got 20 sessions back to back collecting the profits needed. We only made this cycle 2,700. And I'm requesting $3,000. Thank you guys. Continuing with the next account, which, by the way, today, it sits on day number 9 of the first cycle. So Monday could be payout day. And we only need a minimum. Target has been hit, 173 profit. One more day needed here. Monday, hopefully. Let's go, guys. Come on. Celebration time here as well. And we're taking another payout on Monday from this one. Scrambos and fire. Prop firms getting terrified. Keep singing. Come on. Oh, well. That's a good way to start off the weekend. And close out the week. Second week of the year. You only need 10 days of 150 bucks minimum. 20% consistency. And that's it for the YRM. That's it. We got to fill up that liquidity, guys, in the wick so quickly. Market's enjoying the news. We got the Michigan numbers looking good. Watch the whole thing ripping. 26,000 today. Watch the whole thing ripping, guys. I think the markets will be courageous. Thank you so much. And we're going to trade this account too. Where I'm going to probably do around $200, not more. That's what I'm seeking. Probably 200 bucks. We got a tab on futures as well. We got a Lucid Flex accounts that we're going to trade today. And if we have time and energy and capable to focus, we're going to trade our Savius accounts too. Guten Morgen. Good morning. Good day, everyone. Legendary Ignite accounts that are having 4 months since September. Exactly. We're gonna attach some new language. Good day, everyone. Testing a little short here. Not much, guys. It's risky. No, we have some. We have Italians. We have a lot. We have a lot of Italians. We have Spanish. We have pretty much from all over the place, honestly. A lot from US. Most of them are from US. From what I've seen on the statistics. Then Europeans and then Asia. Colazione. Did you finish, guys? How much is that? You in Italy? 2 p.m.? At 2 p.m. you're supposed to finish your colazione in the mornings, right? Non mi interessa. Yeah. Non mi interessa if the market is going up. It's not good. So we're selling something here, guys. We're fully flat out, 25 bucks in profit. 9, exactly. Zurück. That means back, right? You know, I know the Bundesliga teams. We know some numbers. We know from the Deutsche Welle. It was time from Pomodoro. Pasta Pomodoro. Pretty slow markets out here, not doing too much on this retracement, guys. It's not that exciting for the shorts. You see, I'm not trusting this. 5 by Stuttgart. Al pesto. Si. Exactly. You know. That's good. That's good, guys. So, I've been quite a lot in Italy. Quite a lot. Maybe one of the most visited places by me. I have a property on Capri Island. And, so I stay there. Now, the thing is, there's a good side around Sorrento. That's what I love, close to Napoli. Sorrento is beautiful. You certainly want to visit that. This could be an interesting place here to play some games with the longs. Yeah. Yeah. That's the link right there. You gotta go Capri and Anna Capri. Make sure to like the video, guys. So the rule for today, if you want the 150 flex, we need to collect 150 flex on Lucid. We gotta collect 230 likes. If we don't collect 230 likes today, we don't do the 150k flex account. Yes. I've been in Genova and Portofino. Come on, guys. Give me some fresh energy from here. I think you have pasta genovese, if I'm not wrong. If I remember well, you have a specific one. Which is not that mainstream. I'm selling something because I only need the minimum, guys. I'm out of this 271 profit. I don't need more. Because I got my target. Celebration time. All the 3 accounts in YRM got to the target today. Boom. We're on fire and we are terrifying the prop firms. No more images. I'll verify that. I'll verify what happened with the images. Al Pesto is from Genova. Okay. Yeah. That's right. With a fresh pesto mid. Has the beauty when they do the fresh one. I'm gonna check the settings after the stream for the images. Someone just passed another 50k evaluation. Big money coming out. Congratulations. Right, so let me share with you this account. I'm doing an experiment with this account that I just traded right now, the 3rd one. So we've got 5 days, 5 sessions, and we only made this little amount. Look at that. I mean, yesterday was not that little, 503. But the rest of the days are under really good control out there. Exactly. That's great. Now, there's gonna be, till the end of the stream, we have around 1,000 people coming through and going, joining, switching between the streams, and Alex just moved to the Lucid. Lucid is also coming with luck. So look at that one, guys. So for the copier, let's look into the copier. This is the trade copier, right? You want to click on it. Just like that. And then create a new group. Here. You click on this plus symbol. Give it a name. Give it a name. Go to the settings. Give it a parent account. Select the parent account. Do not touch anything else. And then scroll down. Select the children account. Right here. Children account. And then you save it. and then you click on it, and then you start it from here, because it's going to be stopped. Saludos. $9:30 anticipation. And as such volatility today, I'm not trying to anticipate anything. I never try to do that, even in easier days, certainly not. I'm just looking at the price section without anticipating anything prior. Because you see, the predetermined thoughts will get to your mind and will not allow you to do pure technical analysis. You gotta do pure technical analysis. I never wait on something to appear and expect something to happen in the next 5-10 minutes. Never expecting anything. Because that goes into my mind, and then I'll try to justify whatever happens. I'll see justifications, right? And then if I have to get out of my trade, I will never do it. Because I start hoping, revenging, getting aggressive, thinking about that, you know, my wishes will actually get delivered by the markets. I don't have wishes at all. No wishes. So there is that pasta, which is translated into angry pasta for the Italians. A little spicy, right? The angry pasta. How do you call it in Italy? It's missing right now from my mind. The angry one. With a little red pepper, you know. Arrabbiata, exactly. Arrabbiata. There you go. The aggressive one, right? That's how I'm trading, guys. That's my trading style. Pretty high on sizes. Look at that flat price section. Very difficult to trade. But I'm not needing to trade anymore on the YRM accounts. We're fully stacked up, so the evaluation right now for the YRM is $65. The instant funded is basically $540. These are the big promos out there. No activation fee. And once you are funded, whether you go through the challenge first or you buy the instant funded, you only need 10 days of $150 and you're good to go for the payout. Right? The Scramble coupon code gives you a much bigger discount than what happens on their website at their discount level. We've negotiated that in a aggressive way. So guys, if you want today $150,000 Lucid Flex account. Yes, so that means you can't place a trade if you're not in the parent account. Right, so you gotta select from here the parent account you selected on the settings. You have to select the same account. Click on this little drawdown menu. It's gonna drop down and select the account you selected in the settings to be the parent account. That's the error. And then it's gonna work. Cheers everyone, enjoy your day. best instant funding account. The YRM one is the easiest to go for the payout. You have a $6,000 drawdown, and you only need to do $150 minimum for 10 days. With a $6,000 drawdown, it's wild. It's just wild, guys. Like, that's unheard of. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Appreciate it. Streaming from Monday to Friday. You gotta be subscribed to the channel. We're doing daily giveaways, educational content, and a whole lot of the things. And get ready for the giveaway right there. Yeah, thank you. Lucid Flex out here delivering nice. This is what we're gonna share today, guys, this account. If we hit the target. 2 minutes before the news and 2 minutes after the news, not allowed. So 4 minutes. Red folder news. Welcome. But we have to achieve 230 likes to do that account. Otherwise, we're not going to do it. And obviously for the Lucid right there, best accounts are the Flex, no consistency, and no target on the funded stage, and that's just wild. Let me open up my Flex accounts. We've got 5 Flex accounts that we gotta trade. We actually got to a payout, guys, for YRM today. Exactly. Flex is no buffer. Lucid Flex, no buffer. Michigan numbers will come out pretty hot today in terms of volatility. And then obviously do not ask me about the predictions, because simply there's no way to speak in a reliable way unless you spend your entire time researching and doing that stuff, which is something I'm not doing. But obviously the way I do is look at the price section and smell the things. Did heard about, yeah, but we're not touching it yet. Oh, look at that new movie, right? Look at that one. Is this already on prime time? You gotta look into your cinema city, guys. This could already be running out there. Which city is that in the background? New York City? Is that Wall Street? That's a lovely design. A good idea for a movie. Yep. I'm allowing them a bit of a time, and we'll study them more for sure, what's happening in the background of tenacity. But for the moment, you got no buffer. Just $100. $100 is your buffer. You need 10 days of $150 with a consistency. That's it. Right? So profits are not calculated above the buffer. No. Profits are calculated from the original balance. Welcome. It's the easiest way to reach the payout today. Especially for the instant funded. You don't go through the challenge, you just, make money from the beginning. Exactly. It is insane compared to the others. That's why prop firms are getting terrified. Today we qualify for the second cycle payout for them, and the payout value increases with $500. The third cycle will increase to $500 again, and then for the third payout, I'm gonna take $6,000 payout from a single account. Starting with a fourth payout, you take $6,000 out. Lucid, you can trade news without problems. Yes, no restriction on Lucid with the news. You're allowed to trade your best. So we got our Lucid ready here. Lucid Flex accounts on Quant Tower. We got 5 of them in the funded stage already. We passed the challenge for all. And we had yesterday for 3 of them, the first day in the funded stage. And we made good profit. 2 of them are copy traded, and the rest of the 3 are traded solo. What a price section. Watch the whole thing, the whole picture changing, guys, in a few minutes, which means actually in 2 minutes. The whole thing is going to change in 2 minutes. Nah, just avoid that company and forget about it. Forget about it. Right? Get to something real. Don't use them, avoid it. I'm gonna prepare, guys. I'm gonna prepare. You don't need to build a $6,000 buffer. You don't have a target. The need with the desire is not the same thing, right? So you can build, if you want, to have more buffer after you cash out to have drawdown. You make money if you want to have drawdown. But if you don't want to have drawdown and you want to buy a new account, because the new account comes with $6,000 drawdown, that's also possible. It depends on you. We have a lot of the payouts already with Lucid Flex accounts, about 3 or 4. 2 of them are printing so much money. We've got this 2 accounts here. This one has 167 and we started on 150. Our max loss is $17,000 away. Look at that. $17,000 is away. And then this one is 165,500, so that's 15 grand away. The price section is going to change right now, guys. 30 minutes and the US market opens. What's going to be the best prop firm to start with? Well, I suggest you to mix between Lucid Flex accounts and YRM accounts, right? So YRM and Lucid Flex. That's the Lucid right there, and you also get basically the YRM ones. And we also talk about the latest promotions out here in our sales and promotions tab on Discord. You certainly, guys, want to join our Discord, certainly. We need more likes. You want to bring in your friends, neighbors, the whole family on stream. 12 AC, bring in the nurses. If you got the nurses next to you, bring in the nurses as well. All the guys out there gotta be on the stream collecting those likes. So here's a sales and promotion tab, and here you see a weekly roundup. Every single week I'm posting the actual promotions of the firms. and you can get to organize from there. There will be some comparison videos too. Yeah, we've got Michigan numbers today at 10 a.m., so be careful, guys. That's a red folder news. Do not trade on Savius. Do not trade on 5 minutes before and after for Savius, 2 minutes before and after for YRM. Red folder news like that are gonna be heavy. So let me tell you what kind of videos I'm preparing for 2026 right now, early January. I'm preparing to do a fresh, short video of each prop firm we trade with as a review with payout rules, trading rules, and things you need to avoid. Right, so quick video packed up with informations, with the rules, with things you have to avoid, because I know it's hard. Each firm has its rules of news, flipping, micro, whatever, right? And I'll make a video to pack that information up quickly, and we're gonna make a new channel in the Discord place. Right here on Discord, we're gonna have a new channel with the payout rules and trading rules for each firm. So you will look into that. For example, if I want to trade on Lucid and I don't know what's happening with the news trading on Lucid, I just look into that channel, look into the Lucid stuff, and see quickly, organized. Quant Tower is much better for me. Yes, $150 per day on any cycle. Any cycle. This is running up, guys, since we had the flat opening right there. And it's not easy to trade this long, but they could actually take this all the way back to yesterday highs, easily 850s, before it does something else. You see what's been giving us major support today is the red line. I've stolen this red line, guys, yesterday from Wall Street. This red line. Jokes aside, it's a dynamic swing entered volume with an average price, and you want to have that indicator. It's incredible. Let me give you the script, the link, this one, and you will see how responsive it is. Yeah, when the market's closed, I've been out there in a Wall Street and I've stole it basically. No one was watching me. No one was seeing me doing it. I just got that line from there and I put it on my charts. So that's why the price action is so accurate to the red line. It's not the first time happening, guys. Trust me. A door was open, I just walked into. And I picked up the line. Thank you. And now you can have it too, guys. We're gonna make some money till they discover we got their lines. Good morning, welcome everyone. New movie, probably in Cinema City. With a profits machine. Ticket to entry is going to be 1 Bitcoin at the price of 2010. 2010. No special settings. This ones are, they are default. Default. So that's gonna be with the movie, guys. You never know. You never know if we do a partnership. The Wolf of Prop Firms. What do you think about the name? The Wolf of Prop Firms. Isn't that sufficient good? Isn't that sufficient satisfying? The Wolf of Prop Firms? Could be. So you guys want a 150k Lucid Flex? We need 230 likes. YouTube is not allowing me to share the account unless we have this number. It's holding my arms. YouTube is right here next to me, guys, in the office, holding my arms and not allowing me to do the giveaway. Yeah. Default settings. Really, you see differently. Not supposed to be differently. I do look similar to Grinch. True of futures. I have it on, look at that. Let me just look into your the settings here. These are the settings. Swing period 50. Adaptive price tracking 20. And volatility bias 10. And then money making machine 100. Should be like mine on 5-minute candlesticks for the Nasdaq CMA chart. It does not have trade of 8, no. No trade of 8, no ninja yet. No trading view. They're working on it. The last time I talked with their CEO, Moy Saidi, this guy, they've been working on it. You see, the approval is difficult, guys, and it takes a lot of the time. Oh, the settings were different, right? So I'm gonna give you the settings, guys. You wanna do a screenshot, do a photo, something like that with the settings we have on dynamic swing. These are the ones. You got them recorded up on the stream, so you have them at any point ready to fly. There's not much to trade for me here. Not much. 170 likes. We're getting close to 230s. Should I put up a timer? Because we gotta do this somehow on a timing, right? It has to be an end to that. Let me think about. So 230 likes till what time? If we do it till Michigan, it's gonna be too easy, right? Michigan comes out in 15 minutes. We need 50 likes from here. That's gonna be a single like per minute. It's too easy for the community. They're not gonna sweat. They're not gonna sweat. They're not gonna tremble. We gotta do it somehow for... Yeah, it's a prompt firm from July. So we need some time in the markets before... No TTT. Do I have TTT in my title? No TTT. No, no, no. TTT is right now unresponsive. I just deleted TTT from the title. It's not responsive TTT for some reason. They're not handling the whole thing decently at all. No. Touching the red line again. Touching the red line. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. But you see, you don't just trade blindly on the red line. I did not get into a long on the red line here. This is, you know, so much inefficiency in that candle we had earlier to the upside, that green one. So the price section coming down here, you do not catch anything. You see, in the past, we were not having 5 minutes of pause, not trading. We were not having. And now we have, if you look into yesterday's stream, we had 10 minutes, no trading. Got into the trade at the right time, made the profit, out in a minute, and that's it. But we were waiting, guys. So that's something hopefully you will learn from here. 5 months ago, I was not having 5 minutes without being in a trade. 5 minutes connected. Nothing like that 5 months ago. Interesting buying pressure stepped in. Interesting. Look at that. Market makers are watching the live stream, and they might still want to respect the red line. So that's a good point, right? Let's see, there is a minute to go for this candlestick. And it's not going to be that easy. $150K flex account today at the risk. It's still at the risk. We need 40 extra likes. 40. Interesting level here, 15 seconds to go. Are they going to give a signal with a closing? Yeah, it was pretty close. Let me see the 1 minute. I'd like to see what can I trade on this legendary Ignite account for the top 1 futures. You have to join the form. This is the form. Great to see you. That's the form. Link and the form right there. Complete the form. And then at the time we start a giveaway, which is going to be after the New York session starts, right here on the live stream, you will have to play some games. Guess the number. We're going to do that one. And then we're going to have a very productive and interesting duck race with the winners that guess the number. And you have to win the duck race. So it's quite complicated, right? What a lovely time out here. I think we might be doing more than 200 grand today in the giveaways. Let me see that. Almost 200. Yeah, we gotta reach 230 today. to do the Lucid Flex 150k account. And let me create a pool. I got an idea, guys. Let me create a pool and ask you something. I'm gonna think about. Good morning, welcome everyone, guys. Welcome, great to see you on board. Thank you so much for joining. Should be a couple of minutes for the data feed to be connected. Couple of minutes. Alright guys, so listen to the question from the pool. I just put it up. Should we do our 150k Lucid Flex giveaway without the guessing the number part? So we should do directly the docs with everyone on the doc? That means we give chances to every single person. Or we should also include a wheel. So then we're filtering based on your luck. Who's qualifying for the dock race, right? Because there's a guess the number, and only the ones that guess the number will qualify in the dock race. Now that's up to you guys. Let me know what you think about. You want directly the docks without the wheel, and that means everyone is gonna be on the dock race. Now we're gonna have guess the number, and it's gonna be a single choice. A single number on the wheel. If you fail on that, 5-minute duck race. But look at this price section, guys. All the way back to the daily opening and the weekly volume weighted average price. Daily volume weighted average price and the 200 EMA is all stacked up here between 710 and 725. We're all stacked up there. Let me test out a little long here.
Order filled.
I got it along here. 67%. Yeah. Marbles there as well, yeah. No idea what's going to happen with Ticktick. No communication, guys, so any speculation is worth $0. The form is here, guys. Here is the form. You also have to join our Discord to be able to participate. I'm sharing you all the links, guys. New movie on Discord. Scrambo's copier. The Wolf of Prop Firms. Look at that one, guys. That's gonna be the new movie. Looks similar to me. Quite soon. The Trade, the Star, the King. A film by FinTech Production. Keep it up. Possibly testing out along here. And certainly not just possibly, but I'm testing out along here on my Lucid Flex accounts
Order
too.
filled.
Oh, look at that. It's falling. I am grabbing a contract here long of another one, another account here, a single contract long. Limit order. Nicely there. Limit order. Nicely there. I don't need more profit than that. Let's see if we get to our target. We have 213 likes so far. We use quite some indicators out there. I'm going to talk about them soon. Once we have no trading. The form is working, guys. For me, it works. It also worked for people so far. And the target has been hit for one of the accounts. Stop loss break even here. The target has been hit for the second one too. And now we're going to the ones that are... So two accounts made $250 as much as it's needed. That we're trading separated. This one, my entry is a little bit high. And this is the second day for this one's. You see, I sold something. Because I think I could have a little better entry. Stop loss and break even. I'm fully out. $84. That's good. The entry is a little bit too high. I think I could have an opportunity around the 700s again. So I'm out of that on $84 here. That was copy traded, by the way. This one made 291 and we only needed 250 because Lucid Flex needs 5 days of 250. And we got tons of money, 168 grand. So we just do 5 days of 250 till we take 18 grand out. That's what we do. 5 days of 250 till we take 18k out. We don't need to do more than 5 days of 250 for the Lucid Flex 150k we've got here. And this one as well, 281. This is also having 15 grand. Same story. 5 days of 250 till we milk this money out. Cheers, everyone. Market starts in 5 minutes. Let me show you the charts here a little bit. You see, that's an interesting spot. It's an interesting spot here, guys. We got some indicators that are crowded. So I'm heading for a long. I have no bias for the open. I never have any expectancy from the market in a specific period of time when I do scalping. That's something I have basically for swing trading investments and for stuff like that, right? For long term. But for short term, I don't have a bias at all. Because psychologically, I think that comes to my disadvantage. And I'm not using it. I don't want to generate myself disadvantages. I want to look at a price action in a pure way. I don't have my mind looking to expect something, a direction. Because then certainly most of the time your mind is going to make up the charts to fit your narrative, your preferences. And it's going to tell you it's always as your preference looks like. If you have a bias into longs, your mind is going to judge the chart more likely to fit your narrative. So I'm not doing that. I'm always taking it, candle by candle, short term, and I'm scalping the micro situations. This is an interesting spot to DCA for me. And to add a little long here for the third flex account. Welcome guys, welcome everyone. Sell and buys. It's a market order. I'm always doing the market order, the last one. You also have the ability to bid on specific prices, but you have the mouse trading from here. Top right corner. And then you just click, buy limit or sell limit from mouse trading, directly from your chart. I'll make $250 on this trade, guys. I think I can make more than $250. I'm gonna take profit out. I think I could make more. What if we get a runner on the opening? The opening is in less than a minute. So is IRM also good for starter? You have the same payout rules for starter or instant funded. Same payout rules. 10 days of $150. If you get the instant funded, you only deal with that 10 days of $150. If you get the starter, you need to pass the challenge. The challenge is 6% for your target. 6% for the YRM. Lucid Flex, the same story. 6% for your target. You become funded after 5 seconds and the market opens. And in the funded stage, you have no consistency and rules. Opening bell. Best of luck, everyone. I've DC'd one contract here. Moving to the other account, where things are getting a little bit juicy and spicy. Because I might have to exit. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see if that was all it. If that was all, it's not bad. If that was not all, gotta get out. I sold something. Another one. Let's see. I added to this right now. We have accepted I added to this right now. Not adding more to this. I'm putting the stop loss right below for this account for sure. And not adding anything to this one on this account. The other ones, no DCAing. Leaving it like this open. Stop loss is going to be right below the last wick. Right there. Looks like the copy trader only worked with a stop loss on a single account. Very likely. The other one didn't catch it. And we got saved for the moment. Three minis. 230 likes, so we're good with that one, guys. 230 likes. Confirming that we're going to do the Lucid Flex if it remains like this, of course. No, I still think the copy trader is functioning. Oh, we got stopped out on the other account where I had a stop loss. There you go. That's where we got stopped out. This one. 2 grand. We had a stop loss here. Bringing something additionally to this. But a big deal is on this side, where the level is getting quite interesting. He just disappeared. He's been doing that daily for the past couple of days. Come on, guys. We do believe in something. Stop loss and break even. Not yet. Not yet. Stop loss not yet on break even. We do believe in something, guys. Let me believe till the end in something. Oh. Should have exited partially. Look at that. Pretty dangerous, guys. Pretty dangerous rejection. This is the candle. I think we're gonna hit on that target. I sold something, guys. I sold something. And I'm fully out from here. So we recovered a lot. But I also want to exit here as well. 60 bucks profit. Net PNL, 46 bucks profit. This was the account traded alone that had 2 grand realized loss. And it's 46 bucks in profit. The other ones that we were copy trading are 323 down. Celebration time, guys. Celebration time. There you go. Let's go, guys. Come on. Scrambo's on fire. Prop firms getting terrified. Let's go, guys. Come on. That was a very important recovery. Very, very important recovery. No joke. Very important recovery. Like, do not underestimate this lines and the charting that I've got here. Look at that. Look at that price section. 236 likes. We're looking nice on that. Magic. We got the magic happening. The market reacted to the charts and to the lines because, you know, we were here before the market opened and we showed the market makers the lines. So they got the info on the execution needed. And look at the way we're ripping to the upside. So they just listened to us, guys, as usually. No, we're joking. But obviously, we gotta have some good time. Happy Friday moments. Make sure to sign up for the giveaways. And we've got 65% of the people saying they only want ducks for the Lucid Flex 150k. So you only want ducks. You don't want the wheel for this account. Which means the vote has ended. It's confirmed. We will have. Yes, we will have 150k Lucid Flex. You guys made it. Congratulations. And we will have every single person participating into the giveaway. We're going to have a single number on the wheel, and it's not going to be difficult to guess it. So the ones that will guess it will go to the duck race. But keep in mind, in the chat, you only write the number. Don't write any other text. Let me do a poll and say one number wheel. Which do you want? I just made a poll, guys, asking you which number do you want on the wheel for that one. 0, number 2, number 3, or number 7? At least you're gonna make the race with a number 2. We're gonna have 200 people probably. There are 250 people. And you guys will compete probably for 5 minutes. Look at that. We might have the number 7 coming through. Number 2 is with the least percentage. You don't have too many friends here, Jake. Look at that. For sure, someone... So if you write any other text, your response is not going to be recognized. Such as if you say, my number is... No, simply just a number, guys. Just a number. You don't say anything else. No LFG, no best of luck, nothing. Just a number. And that's how you got to do it always. Look at the price section here. But don't start right now, guys. Don't start right now. Do not start right now. Why are you starting right now? Stop it, guys. Stop it, guys. Why are you starting right now? Why are you starting right now, guys? I just gave you the instructions. Oh, so if there is a guy joking, the other 200 will not consider it that way. And people start getting emotionally. Look at that reaction we got. Still gotta clear this thing up and put it on profit. I'm stubborn. I'm not going to accept 320 bucks loss here. I'm stubborn. I want to do my 250 bucks. And I'm also stubborn here where we have 46. Volume was down, right? That was the issue. I can confirm it. Guys, you want to speak with a pedal. I'm shorting the market a little bit here. Even though I think this is looking great for a long. Yeah. Lovely. Let me just get a good spot to get out. Interesting rejections there on the 1 minute. Interesting rejections. If that sticks, it's not that bad with my short here. Thank you so much for joining, guys. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time. Doing giveaways daily, having lovely time in our Discord community. Keep in mind, in order to win and be able to participate, you need to be part of our Discord and fill up the form. Looks like people go by the number 7 from what I'm able to see for the moment. I should be out of this trade, but let me try to see if we arrange here for a moment. And then it's worth to DCA. Otherwise, I'm going to cut this away. I'm not supposed to be in a short here. Unless we reject and range here for a moment. The form is here. I sold something partially. And I'm fully out. 284 profit. Lovely, right? 284 profit. We don't need more. Because 250 is the minimum, and that's fine for the moment. We're down on this one 2,000 bucks, guys. So celebration is right there. Realized loss 2,000. Thank you so much for joining and for watching, guys. I think by the end of the year, we're gonna set targets of the giveaways around 400, 500 likes. So the next account is the one where we need to do some money. We're 323 down. As soon as I make my 250 profit here, we're starting the giveaway. I've longed this one. 2 contracts. Stop loss break even. Unfortunately has been touched. Getting back in my long with a single contract. We got the Michigan numbers coming out soon. And there's going to be difficulties on the markets with that. Bring it up, guys. Come on. I'm stop loss break even. I'm taking some profit here. And leaving the rest one open. Break even touch. We made 100 bucks. I'm also getting back in along here. Single contract. I'm afraid about a short here, honestly. Afraid on that short. You don't like it. Could get back into 780s, catch some of the liquidity from the wicks here, and then if it wants to reverse, it could reverse. I'm gonna go stop loss break even soon, so I don't care again. Putting my stop loss. I'm out here. Nah, better be out there. We lost like 120 bucks. And testing the other side of the coin. The giveaway starts once I bring the account here 250 bucks profit minimum. What a silly price section, look at that. Could get all the way back to the daily opening for some reason, 723. But that's not easy. I just doubled down. $227 profit. 227 profit, guys. We have exited a little bit too early. I'm reopening my short and I'm out. 289 profit. Time for the giveaways. Time for the giveaways. We made it. We have made it. Come on, guys. We got to celebrate some. 289 profit. That's good. Boom. So let's just wrap up the things before we start on the giveaways. What we did today on Quantower Lucid Flex accounts. Lucid Flex accounts for the Lucid prop firm. Here's the link. Lucid Flex accounts are the only ones without a consistency and without payout target on the funded stage, right? So you take the evaluation, you pass the evaluation, and your funded stage is no target, no consistency. Trade in whatever way you want to do it. Thank you, guys. We got 5 accounts. That's the maximum of 150k Lucid Flex. What we did today with this account, well, here's the first one we traded, 291 profit. It has 168 grand, 18 bucks, $18,000 above the original balance, initial balance. So we're dealing lovely here. Hitting the target, 250 bucks of 5 days. That's all you need. The next one, 281 in the pretty similar situation. This has been funded since late December and we already made 15 grand on it. Got some payouts on this account. The next one we started yesterday in the funded stage already, and we passed the evaluations quite a couple of days ago. 289, 434, and the last one 284. Right, so all of them minimum 250 bucks. Lovely. This is where we are here on the charts, and we traded our YRM account, and all the 3 got to the minimum 150. YRM minimum 150 bucks. So, yeah, we have big news coming out soon. In 10 minutes. Big news coming out in 10 minutes. So I think we're gonna do the duck race before that, guys. Alright, so a last minute call here. Sign up for the link. All the Flex accounts are already funded. All the Flex. No evaluations. We passed the evaluations on the stream. Last call to sign up, guys. In 9 minutes, there's Michigan numbers coming out. And I'm planning to do the Lucid Flex 150k before that. Right? The first giveaway, guys, today is going to be the Lucid Flex 150k. And we will have one more after this with YRM. So 2 giveaways, 2 prop firms. One, Lucid Flex 150k. The second giveaway will be 50k YRM. That's right. So, we still need the wheel. We still need the wheel. Let me close out on Quant Tower. We still need the wheel. And we're gonna have the number 7 you talked about. But wait, guys, wait. So everyone make sure to subscribe, join Discord, like the video, come on. Be subscribed to my YouTube channel. We've hit all-time high with the numbers today. And join our Discord too. I'll give you another 1 minute to do it. Likes hit all-time high today, 246. I'll give you some more seconds, guys. 150k Lucid Flex. That's the first giveaway about. You can start right now. Let me know your numbers. Start right now. Best of luck, guys. Start right now. But careful, do not spam, because the system will automatically time you out. Do not spam. Put your number once or twice or, you know, something like that, making sure it gets through. Making sure it gets through. Put your number once or twice and that's it. But do not spam. We got someone with 777. He's not gonna make it because your first choice is the only accepted one. If you say anything else, careful, guys. You only the number. Only the number. Your first guess from the starting command has to be your number. If there's any other message, any other text, any other letter, the system will not recognize you after. Your first choice, the first number. That's it. So we decided basically to have probably more than 150 people. Probably more than 150. Someone said 7 blue is not good. Nah, it has to be just a number. Always just a number in your guess. Your only first guess is accepted. No color, just a number. Because we decided, the community decided that this is going to involve every single person a chance. Of course, you have to fill up the form. Alright guys, so you have the stop message right there, no more guesses. Stop message right there, it came through. Thank you so much guys, make sure to be subscribed on my channel, streaming from Monday to Friday. Alright guys, so are you ready? Do I have to shuffle this? Yes. We do respect tradition, guys. I did shuffle once. Could it be the red one or could it be the yellow one? I think that's going to be the yellow one. Who's going to make it with a number 7? That's the big question. There you go. Congratulations for the winners. Congratulations for the winners. Time for the duck race. Time for the duck race, guys. That's gonna be huge. $224. 224. Look at that. 224 fully confirmed. 224. You guys will compete for 3 minutes. Start. Best of luck, everyone. Good luck, guys. 224. So let me think about, because this is going to have 2 rounds. Yes. It's going to have 2 rounds. Attention. The way we will do like this. Top 5 will go second round. Top 5. And then top 2 will go third round. Top 5, second round. Top 2, third round. And this is the first giveaway. We have another one after we finish the rounds with the YRM. Best of luck, guys. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Financial freedom. He's leading. More than 200 on board. More than 200 on board. There's like more than 100 ducks you don't see right now. And there's probably 60, 70 you see. And there's around 150 you do not see. "40 seconds to go, guys. Come on. You're very productive, right, at work. Very, very productive with this. Jimmy. So top 5 will do second round. And then top 2 for the third round. Keep that in mind. How to win. You gotta be at the top. There is a finish line at the end. This is the most productive job you can have, guys. To be a racer in the duck race on our... It's a big deal. Look at that. 5 seconds to go. Someone got stopped out. But there's people speeding up from behind. And here we go. Oh. Elsh Boldigan. We've got you. Who's out there for the top 5? Look at that. Look at the top 5. We're gonna take your names and verify with a form. If you actually completed a form, congratulations for the winners on the top 5. You still have to be on the form. Let's not forget about it. And then we do top 5, and then we do top 2. We do top 2 as well. Congratulations for the winners. Let's just find it out. So we'll... No response, unfortunately, from Elge Boldagon. No response, unfortunately. You did not fill up the form. Oh my gosh. Did not fill up the form. Wondering how many coming after the 5th will be on the list. Jake, from the 9th, do you have a chance? So Elge is not... Elge Boldagon is not here. Oh, what a chance has been missed. No. Do I have a sound? I can hear myself. I have a sound. I can hear myself, guys. Microphone is working right now. Good. So the second one, market profile. There you go. Market profile is here. No response found. Elge. You're not here. No. Unfortunately. So Marcus' profile is here. Dilson's. Yes, the second one confirmed. One missed the chance. Nitty. Nitty. There you go, Nitty. You're also confirmed. The third one. Sean. Very likely, right? There you go. The fourth one is confirmed. Ivan. You could be the lucky guy. Yes. Ivan is here as well. What a lucky guy out there being on the 6th. And fully confirming it. Look at that. Alright, folks. So the first 5 that got to be confirmed will be pushed for... Let me just bring up the names here. So we're going to have market profile, right? Market profile. We have Dilson's. We've got Needy, SHK. We've got Sean. And we've got Ivan. These are the 5 players that will compete for a minute. Shuffle start right there. And top 2 is gonna go to the 3rd round. Top 2. Come on. Let's go, guys. 30 seconds to go. Yes, the form is daily. Every day we have a new link to participate for the giveaways of the day. Who's winning, guys? Who's winning? Come on. Tell me who's winning. Who's going with the top 2? Who's going for the top 2? Look at that. Sean and Nitty. There you go. Sean and Nitty. You guys are going to the 3rd round. Congratulations. We started a pool, guys. Who's winning? Sean or Nitty? Who's winning the big prize? Should we guys do a duck here and say no one? Should we put a duck like that? No one. And if that duck comes out, no one takes the price. What do you guys? Should we put a one that says no one? We're not going to do it. We're not going to do it. We're going to leave it like that. Allow them to compete for a minute. Shuffle them once. Twice. There you go. Best of luck, everyone. Who's winning, guys? Chat, let me know. We made a pool right there. Who's winning, guys? Come on. 150k Lucid Flex. Let me know your guesses out there. That's a big one. $15 seconds to go. Who's speeding up? Oh my god, we got a panda. We got a panda. Look at that one. It's over. It's over. Nady with a panda. And then we got Sean with the next 4 rankings. Look at that one. Oh my gosh. What a situation, guys. Look at that one. That's a pretty painful ranking. Look at that. Look at the ranking, guys. Look at that ranking. Oh my gosh. That's pretty painful, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations on the numbers. Let's continue with the next giveaway. This was big. 150k Lucid Flex. Sean is breaking his keyboard. So the first ranked is receiving the account. The second ranked is receiving a new keyboard, right? That's the way the next times are gonna be. The second ranked will get a new keyboard. Especially when you have second, third, fourth, and fifth. Good. Let's continue to the next numbers, guys. Let's continue. Next giveaway. Second giveaway and the last one for today. Nah, I'm just joking, buddy. Just joking. That was a great one. And thank you for being with us for a very long period of time, Sean. So, let me think about what's happening next. Yeah, the wheel. The wheel is gonna be tricky. So we do right now 50k YRM. I bet a lot of the people left the giveaway. So from 260, 250, we're down to 220. 40 people out. Decided not to participate. The second giveaway for some reason, they got angry. Good. So 50k YRM for the second giveaway. Listen up for the numbers. It's not going to be as easy. We're going to have 10 zeros. A single number 2, a single number 3, and 5, 7. You can start right now. Let me know your guess, guys. 10 zeros, single number 2, single number 3, and 5 number 7. There's more to come. There's more to complete, guys. There's more chances on board. That's lovely. Who's staying with a number 2? Who's staying with a number 3? That's what I want to see. 10 zeros, a single number one. Sorry, no number one. No number one. Hopefully the microphone didn't work. But that was a pretty hot race right there for the Lucid Flex 150k guys, having a 225 on board for the duck race, picking up top 5, having the winner not completing the form. Imagine to be the winner of 225 duck race, 225 members, right? Being the winner and not completing the form to qualify for the second round. It's the worst time to win. No, you're gonna get a timeout. 10 minutes. You gotta be careful basically with the spamming, because the system will time you out automatically. No spamming, right? Stop right there, no more guesses, it's over. The system automatically takes you out. No more guesses, it's over, stop right there. We're gonna shuffle this way. Even if we've got 100 numbers and a single number 2, you go for it. You go for the shot. You can't change. Number 2 is not going to be, but the number 3 is under risk. That's going to be close with that 7 on yellow, guys. And I think the pedal is going to stop on the 7. Because that's how the AI system works here, and it's pretty rigged. Look at that. It's not having power to continue. There you go, congratulations for the winners. We've got you with a 7. Ride or die for the number 2. Never chicken out, never. Consistency is way more important. Congratulations for the winners out here with a number 7. That was a great one. List is coming out soon. $50. Not bad. Competing for a minute. Start right here. Best of luck, everyone. This is the last giveaway of the week. If you were basically not breaking the rules, not having multiple accounts, and you were not running bots, at this point the accounts were delivered. Unicorn. Never go with a 0 again. Never. We'll double check your message once again. We'll double check on Discord. But 99% of the accounts have been delivered already of the week. Few seconds to go. Who's speeding up? Massimiliano is speeding up. Look at that one. Silently speeding around. Oh, look at that one, Massimiliano. Silently speeding around and driving through. Congratulations, 50k account. Congratulations. Let's find it out. Massimiliano. Good to have you on board here. Fully confirmed. Congratulations. There you go. That's a lovely one, guys. That was the last. That was the last. You did not expect it, this one for sure. You did not expect it, this one for sure. What a lovely way ending the weekend. Look at that. Squadra Azzurra. You have a lovely way ending the weekend with the Italian. So, time to celebrate, guys. Look at the Nasdaq price section, giving you opportunities in those wicks. Sure. We'll verify today for sure. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Lucky 2026, certainly. So that's where we are. Had an amazing week. An amazing week. Thank you guys as well for nicely, heavily, and lovely participation moments. Thank you, Badger. Thank you, Ronin, for the great times and for the lovely help. Looking forward to it on Monday. In the meantime, we keep up on Discord. Any questions, any help, reach out for any moment. That's pretty much all, guys. Peace, love. Careful right there with the risk management. That's the #1 reason people lose the accounts. Thank you, guys. Have a lovely day. Lovely weekend.